The vehicle I've got in front of me is a Ford Tourneo Custom Sport 320 Li 185. At the moment up here, it's in car format. But if I come up here, for example, walk through this hole in the roof, this space, to reveal up here, we've got a tent. Now this is a thermoformed tent in the roof. Well, the tent part's not thermoformed, but the top bit is. It's thermoformed by a company in Poland, and has just gone into the camper business. Here we've got the mattress, and under the mattress, as always, you'd expect you've got the slats, and indeed a net which will stop you falling out. Now I haven't noticed nets in other tents, so that's a first, and that is something. It's first for me. Sorry, I haven't been in all the tents in the roof in the world, but I've never seen that before. Anyway, so this is this idea of the tent in the roof. Now, so where's the camping bit? Let's come around the side. And so we've got the pull-out bit here, and this quite typical. You've got a fridge here, you've got a sink here, and what could be in here? I wonder. Oh, that's nothing. What could be in here? Oh, there's the cooker. I'll take this out of the way, because you wouldn't possibly normally have a light stuck there like that, because you probably normally wouldn't have it on display for everybody to see. Now let's see if I can push this back. Won't go. So it won't go because it's held in by a thing here. There you go. And we'll even put this on the other side so it closes. Right, so Dometic fridge, and these things here are relatively common items. Now, as far as this is concerned, of course, you make the bed. There's the mattresses. The chairs there go forward to, and the mattresses go on top of the bed. In fact, first of all, goes on top of this. This is the bed bit, then the mattresses go on top of that. Right, I've got another one here to show you, which I shall now demonstrate. This thing here is called a Pacific, and the other one is called something else. What we've got here, as you can see, you've got the tracks down there, which are used to place chairs in or the likes. You've got your sort of typical sort of camping equipment, which is over the other side. You've even got here a bed extender in the form of this cushion here. I'll go around to the other side of the vehicle, seeing as there's people here, and so storage at the back. Three choices of color. This like a carpet, black, or this one here, which I've got in my van. And these, you know, so what you'd normally expect in a VW type of camper van. Note the word type, I didn't say it was the Renault VW. Here the camping unit will extend, and you can pull this bit of the camping unit out